Tina here, and today I'm going to show you how to make easy apple dumplings with Isom's Orchard apples. Isom's Orchard is located in Athens, Alabama, and it's one of the members of the North Alabama Agriculture Adventure Trail. It only takes a few ingredients for this: 2 or 3 apples, 2 tubes of crescent rolls, 1 cup of orange juice, 2/3 cups of sugar, 1 stick of butter, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, I like to use the real stuff, and a few shakes of cinnamon. First we get started by peeling the apples. Okay, so first we start by peeling the apples. Like I said, it only takes 2 or 3 apples, depending on the size of your apples. Okay, after we peel the apples, we slice them. So after you have your apples peeled and sliced, you take your crescent rolls and you open them up. Okay, take your triangles. You take 1 slice of apple and you roll it in a crescent triangle. And place it in a 13 by 9 inch baking dish. Okay, first I'm going to melt the butter, put it in a saucepan. Okay, now that the butter is melted, we add our orange juice. I said 1 cup of orange juice, 2/3 cups of sugar. And keep stirring over medium heat. Then we add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And then we put a few shakes of cinnamon. Now some people like it real cinnamony. Some people like just a little bit of cinnamon. You let this mix up really well. It looks like it's going to be a lot to pour over the crescent rolls, but it's really not. Okay, so after you get your mixture all mixed up, the orange juice and sugar, you just spoon it over your crescent rolls, apples. And like I said, it looks like it's going to be a lot of liquid, but it's going to work out. Believe me, it's going to be great. So you just take and make sure everybody gets coated. Everybody gets a bite. Okay. Woo. Already looking good and smelling good. Okay. I preheated my oven to 350. I'm going to put them in the oven. Set the timer for 30 minutes. So I think they're done. So I've just took them out of the oven, the apple dumplings, and they look delicious. So the best part is serving them up. They are so yummy. See how golden brown they are? And these apples are so good from Isom's Orchard. Hot. Delicious. Go get you some apples from Isom's Orchard.